We're going to finish adding the type layer for the rest of the magazine cover using a type transformation that will make it more interesting. So I'm going to start by pulling a vertical guide to 1/4 inch of the right margin, usually to the edge of that L. Then we'll pull a horizontal guide down 2 inches below the top of the magazine cover, and that will create the area for a text box, which we'll put in using the type tool. And that'll be where the additional type will be pasted in from a note which is on the cover of the magazine in the lower right corner. So that's where we're at right now. Copy the text from the note, then using the text tool, pull down a space, which will be a text box, to contain the text from the note. And the note can be put in there from any group in the production department. Anybody working on the file can put a note in. We'll delete the note later. So now we will highlight the text in the first 3 lines, change the font to 70 point from 72, and then select the word trend because we're going to make it a bold font face, and we're going to change the color to accentuate it. Now I'm going to highlight the rest of the text that's in that text box. There's 7 more lines, or 6 more lines of text rather, and we'll transform some of that type to make it more interesting. I'm going to make it 22 points. I'm going to change the leading, put more space between the lines, and change the tracking to 0 so that they appear normally as they would be typed in Myriad Pro, regular. Now I will highlight the topic names of what's hot and what's not, and change the font size to 28, and bold will be the typeface. 28 point and bold. We can get rid of that note by deleting it, and we can clean the cover up now by clearing out the guides, all of them. And that is the finished magazine cover.